Everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. Are you ready to create a beautiful pair of earrings in under 10 minutes? On this tutorial, we will be creating these beautiful earrings using the newest Softlex Company design kit. This was their exclusive kit for the fall season for the Great Bead Extravaganza. We're going to be making these adorable earrings in today's tutorial using beads from the exclusive TGBE kit Fall Edition. And this is a sampling of everything that is included in this kit. And if the kit is still available, I will go ahead and link it down below in the description, as well as the current Softlex Company design kit. So for this kit, it was really special because you did get a lot of exclusive items that are only available in the kit. So we are using a few of those beads. We're using like the little check glass beads, and then of course our soft flex wire that came in the kit. But you can also find it online on their website. And then just some little spacer beads from the crystal and glass bead mix. We're going to need one earring finding and a 2x2. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And I'll also go ahead and link a tutorial playlist for all other creations I make with this TGBE kit. Let's start creating. So this is just basic bead stringing, and I know the holidays are right around the corner, so perfect for any gifts you may want to give or craft fair ideas. So just a great project and just very cute and simple earrings. So to start, we're just going to be doing our bead stringing. And if you've seen any of my other tutorials, when I'm doing my bead stringing, I like to keep it on the spool of soft flex just to act as a bead stop. So I have my design already on my bead mat, and we're just going to be adding on the beads. So we have all of our beads added on. And for the of earring, you probably need about maybe 4 inches of soft flex wire. So we're just going to trim a good workable length from the spool. And if you ever have more soft flex wire left over at the end of your project, be sure to save it. You can always use it in the future. So we're just going to make sure that our beads that we just added on a wire are in the center. We're going to add on a 2x2 just like it was a bead. And I'm using on the opposite side of soft flex wire, we're just going to crisscross back through. This is going to create like a little X. And then we're just going to pull. So you can tell we get our little connection point in our circle. This is probably one of the easiest styles to make with soft flex wire for the earrings, or you can turn it into a pendant, and it's one of my favorites to create with. On the longer piece of soft flex wire, we're going to loop back through our 2x2. For the soft flex 2x2s, it will hold 3 of the medium soft flex wires, and that's what we're using in our design. And also by doing the style, it allows your soft flex wire to show, just kind of adding that extra element into your design. So we have it passed back through, and don't worry if the beads are kind of separating away from the 2x2. We're going to make any adjustments as needed. So we're just going to kind of pull a little bit on our soft flex until everything tightens. And if you've already made your other earring, we're just going to bring it in and make sure that our connection points are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect, you would just like them similar. And once we have the correct size that we would like, we are just going to go ahead and bring in our pliers and just flatten our 2x2. And normally I will round it for a more professional finish. It just makes it look like a little bead. But due to the placements of the bead, it's okay to just flatten. We're going to bring in our pliers and trim off any extra soft flex wire that we have. Just make sure not to trim our little connection point. We're going to need that to attach our ear wire. We're in the final step of our earring. So we have our ear wire. We're just going to gently open it. And there's no front or back to this earring, so we're just going to attach it directly to our ear wire and give it a close. And we have our adorable little sweet and sparkling earrings. created with the newest Softlex Company design kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It'll help my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as a tutorial playlist from other tutorials. Have a wonderful day.